Hey guys, Adam from Ace Engineering. Just want to walk you through an install video of our rock rail. We're going to install on the Gladiator today. Kind of show you what needs to be removed, what stays during the install. It'll be the same for a JL or JLU, but kind of want to talk through the process just so we know how to install it properly. First thing we're going to do on our Gladiator, we're going to have 3 body mount bolts that we're going to remove from the vehicle. That will be the same on a JLU. The only difference is on a JL, a 2-door, there's only 2 bolts. So we'll start in the front and we'll remove that one first. All right, we're gonna start by removing the front 18mm bolt. We're gonna remove the bolt and this washer comes off. This steel puck and bushing will stay in place and stays in location, and our rock rail will go up against that steel plate. Now typically when I remove it, I back it out a few turns, tighten it a few turns and back it out just to break free some of the factory Loctite. Came right out, so that's just to show you it always changes. This stays in place on a Gladiator JLU JL. In the front bolt, in the front area, you'll have this. That stays on all the JL platforms. Now, a lot of times you'll back the bolt out and it'll spin freely. All we need to do is pull down on the large washer as we're backing it out. So this on the Gladiator is unique to the Gladiator, this big platform, a really long bolt. On a JLU, it'll be just like the center section, the shorter bolt and the shorter mount. All right, we're gonna need a breaker bar for this one. So the other side came out with our impact. This one was a little tough, so I'm gonna put a extension out long breaker bar. And just try to keep it on center. As I back it out, just to break it free a little bit. All right, that should be enough for our impact now. Same thing here. Long guy for the rear. All right, now we're ready for the install. All right, so now we're getting ready to install. I usually start in the center. I run my bolt through like this. We're gonna light it up to the body mount. We're just gonna start the bolt, just enough that it catches and doesn't drop the rock rail down on us. It'll give us time to orientate both ends, line the bolt up and get it started, then we'll torque it back down. All right, we got the middle started. Jump to the front here. See how it moves freely? The middle section is not tight enough. We're just gonna put that in, kind of hand start it for a second. All right, that's up and started. Now we'll do the rear. All right, now that we've got all 3 tight, I'm gonna grab the torque wrench and we'll torque that 80 to 85 foot-pounds, all 3 bolts. But in location, nice and solid, just ready to be torqued down. Thanks, guys.